In this video, I will show you how to link tasks in Notion timeline. So the first thing you need to do is go to Marketplace, and then after that, search for timeline, and then choose the timeline planner. So I will choose this because this is a free template, and then click on add, and then choose a workspace, click on plus sign to add, and then after that, click on the template. And here you will see the timeline templates here. So go to this status and you will see it has a not started, in progress, on hold, delayed, and completed. So let's go to not started and then click on new item, then rename it. So for example, my task is record a video. So here in add progress, you can type a number. So for example, is 0 because I am not started. And then on here, you will see the add priority. So for example, I will click on hi, and then you can add an end date. So for example, I will choose 27. Then here. And that's it. That's how you add a task in timeline. So if you want to switch it to progress, so you can drag it. And then here you can switch it to in progress. So you can edit the progress here, which is 20%, for example. So you can drag this if you completed the task here. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.